Do kan DZGB, ang programang Legally Yours GB. Ini ang programang magtataw ng opinyong legal, madaraning impormasyong legal, asin pagdiskutir kan mga napapanahon na issue, mapadapit sa mga lays kang nasyon, asin maging sa lado lokal. Legally Yours GB. Mga legal advices, asin masimbag sa indong mga kahaputan. Legally Yours GB. Magpartisipar asin magapot, gunyan, uya ang sa indong makakaiba, digdi sa Legally Yours GB.
Dapat aram mo. Ignorance of the law excuses no one. Kaya, dapat aram mo.
Marahay na pagkaaga mga tugang, ngunyan, Abril 15, 2023, and dakulo ng maugmahon ngunyan mga tugang, dahil syempre, igwa kita nin mga bagong abogado kahapon. So, congratulations po sa satuyang fresh bar exam passers, batch 2022, mga Kagiwa babies, Kagiwa bar. Talagang wow na wow kasi halangkaw man giraray somehow ang passing rate which is 43, tama ba? 43%. So talagang out of the 9,000 plus na nag-take nin bar examinations last November 2022, 3,000 plus made it. So congratulations to our newly minted lawyers. And syempre, ini po ang programang Legally Yours, GB Dapat Aram Mo, kaibanan si Christine Longabela. However, paingalong una kita kidiit ka manungod mga legal advice dahil syempre mo yata din makadangog kang inspirational story kang saro sa tuyang mga sinwerte sa pagluwas kang results kahapon, and igwa kita mga tugang na kaibanan maugmahon kita nagtugot magpa-interview ngunyan maging gesta si Attorney Earl Kalingasyon. Ayan. Guwapong-guwapo, fresh na sa ating abogado, si Attorney Earl Kalingasyon from Ligaw. Tama ba, Attorney Earl? From Ligaw, mga tugang si Attorney Earl. And maka-inspire kaya ang story kay ni Attorney Earl o ratsan, paistoryahon ta siya. And syempre para mag-serve din as an inspiration sa mga nangangarap pa na maging abogado digdi sa tuya sa Pilipinas. So, just imagine mga tugang, are you a registered nurse then, Attorney Earl?
Yep, registered nurse, licensed teacher. To be fair, expired parehas ang license ko because the moment I step into law school, sabi ko, ang next ID ko na valid would be from the Supreme Court.
Wow!
That's the motivation behind.
Okay. So, registered nurse na, licensed teacher pa, and then now, lawyer.
Thanks.
Paano mo nagawa yun, Attorney Earl?
Come to think of it, I don't know the answer to that. Parang, this was all by the grace of God. I did not expect to arrive here. Yung pag-nursing ko was because by that time, yun yung in-demand na course. Pag-graduate ko, hindi na siya in-demand. So, walang trabaho waiting for me. Lahat volunteer, ikaw pang magbabayad sa hospital. It was like, may mga kapatid ako mag-aaral next in line. So, that's not a feasible plan. Mag-volunteer ka 2 years, sweldohan ka ng city and provincial government ng 250-300 per day. At that time, it's just not financially feasible. So, naghanap ako ng ibang trabaho, nag-researcher ako sa DENR with the research department, science research. So, after that, na-convince ako ng kaibigan ko na mag-teacher dahil daw mag-i-increase ng sahod ng teacher, which was that time from 15K to 19K, which at that time was like, wow.
Yeah.
So, while working sa DNR, I took up methods of teaching. Then, saka ako nag-take ng LET. Okay naman yung results. Medyo okay naman yung results. So,
Balita ko, top toucher ka sa LET.
okay lang. Sakto lang. So, yeah. Tapos, yun na. I was teaching sa Ligaw National High School and then nagpabahay kami. So, na-halt muna yung plan ko mag-law school hanggang sa matapos yung loan. Kasi ang take home ko by that time, I can remember pumapalo ng 7K, 8K. So, it was just not financially feasible. And then, nung natapos na yung loan, nung medyo umangat-angat na, saka na ako nag-decide mag-enroll. Inutang ko pa yung pinang-enroll, hindi ko pa binabayaran. Auntie, if you're watching this, thanks.
So what made you, Attorney Earl, enter law school? Doon tayo sa pinaka-start. Flashback tayo ng konti.
Flashback, 14 years old, I was in the deathbed of my mom. So, ang isang instruction niya is abuga siya ako. Ang second instruction niya, no matter what happens, wag ako mag-UP because she was an alumna of UP. So, panahon na ng martial law. So, siguro yun yung ano niya na, hey, hindi ka mag-adal dyan. I've been there, done that. Don't go there. So, yeah, tumatak yun sa utak ko that these are her dying wishes. I will fulfill them. And I have a peculiar interest na rin sa law because it's an interesting topic. It will pique your curiosity. And yeah, I went through 4 years of hell.
I understand that. Pero, nung nag-enter ka sa law school, goal mo na ba talaga na maging lawyer? Or like, for knowledge lang and to fulfill lang din yung gusto ng mom mo?
Gusto ko na rin talaga maging lawyer. I mean, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it 100%. Like, yun naman talaga ang end goal. Kasi dati, syempre, hindi mo naman magamit sa employment mo ang pagiging graduate ng LLB pa at that time, naging JD. Hindi mo naman siya magamit for promotion unless you're working for certain agencies. So, wala naman siyang silbi sa akin as a teacher. To be honest, hindi naman ako mapromote by taking up LLB and JD. Wala naman, I mean. So, yeah, the goal was to be a lawyer and here we are now.
Yeah. How about your bar review journey? Alam ko, may matinding story ka din during your bar review journey. Yung mga pinagdaanan mo, di ba? Together with your family, your wife. Hi, Ate Joanne, how are you? Your wife. And of course, during your bar review journey, kasi mga tugang, ini si Attorney Earl Kalingasyon. Habang siya nagre-review po para sa bar exams, nangaki ang sa iyang agum. So, sige, paki-share sa amin, Attorney Earl, ng kwento mo nung bar review journey mo.
Okay. So, where do I start? Let's start with, we were not planning to conceive. We knew we were pregnant before my bar exam review. Before ako graduate, we knew na we were pregnant. And I was like, but you know, man plans, the Lord executes. So, wala akong magagawa. That was the will of the Lord. So, yeah, we got pregnant and kung sa, tuloy-tuloy na. So, I was thinking, I was setting aside funds para sa bar review. I was setting aside funds para sa pregnancy ng aking asawa, ng panganganak. Para, siyempre, worst case scenario, where you will be thinking 100, 150K para sa cesarean. Worst case scenario, yung mga ganong bagay, walang puwake for complications, kumbaga. So, yeah, it was quite difficult. Buti na lang because of my business, which is a photography and videography service, nakakuha kami ng client, which was okay. So, na-cover parehas yun. But syempre, along the way, akala mo okay ka na para sa iyong review. May mga magpa-pop up na expenses kasi, oh my goodness, the books, the reviewer, the things you have to print.
Yes.
The food we're about to eat, these things hindi mo mako-foresee and these things makikita mo talaga na ang gastos pala. Kaya
Nasaan ka nun, attorney, nung during your bar review? Malayo ka ba sa family mo, sa wife mo, baby mo that time?
So, pinanganak yung baby ko after my bar, but I was in Ligao. I was already renting a house there bago pa ako mag-asawa. So, nung kinasal kami, lumipat kami doon kami tumira. We started a family home. Yeah. So, nung nalaman namin na pregnant na siya, we decided na dito muna siya titira sa Legazpi because my wife's work is here sa Legazpi. So, ayaw ko siyang magkakomplikasyon dahil sa travel every day. Na magbabas lang siya, commute, pag wala, tayuan sa bus, you know how it is. So, hindi pwedeng matagtagan. So, yeah, dito siya. So, hiwalay kami, focus ako sa review, mag-isa ako dun sa bahay, working on side hustles and reviewing. So,
okay. So, at the same time, minamanage mo yung business mong photography?
Actually, nagbawas kami ng clients. I only accepted very few clients para lang ma-cover yung ilang expenses pa. Kasi nga, along the way, yung mga check-up ng pregnancy, these things take a lot of resources.
So, pinagsabay mo yung expenses ng review and at the same time yung pregnancy ni wife.
Yep. To be fair, may trabaho kasawa ko, so hindi ko
Yes.
cargo lahat. But yeah, a big chunk of the
Yes.
money was going into that. So, the day before the bar, nagkaroon siya ng, if I would remember correctly, Braxton Hicks contraction. So, these are, akala namin mag-labor na siya the day before.
Oh, okay.
So, bumisita siya sa akin sa Ligaw para i-encourage ako na gano'n. Naalis na ako puntang Naga kasi doon ako titira the day, 2 nights before the exam. Siyempre, akusto mo sarili mo sa Naga. And then, humilab yung tiyan niya, dinala namin sa emergency room, nag-I-eat, lahat-lahat, doon sa ospital. So, I was like, am I gonna take the bar or nandito ako sa side ng asawa ko because I don't want to miss this moment na ipapanganak. So it was like, buti na lang, napigilan, may binigay yung doktor na wag agad maglabas yung bata.
Okay.
So yeah, hindi pa naman siya talaga yung labor. So, naagapan yon, natapos ko ang bar exam, after noon nanganak siya.
Right after, like isang araw pagkatapos ng bar exams mo, nanganak.
Mga a week after or 2 weeks after, something like that.
Oh, okay. So parang na-put on hold yung panganganak, i-wife, na supposedly pwedeng nanganak siya yung araw bago ka mag-take ng bar exams. Oh.
So, the anxiety level mo, di ba, nasa 10 ka na pag barrister ka. So, nagbiglang 15.
Wow, perfect timing din talaga, no?
Yep. Mabaliw-baliw ako noon.
Pero masaya na nare-reminisce yung mga ganitong moments.
Yep.
Diba? And fortunately, ayun, kahit may ganun na nangyari, still, you made it. So, ano pang ibang struggles and challenges na na-encounter mo during your review journey?
To be honest, remedial law.
Remedial? Why?
Remedial law was really difficult for me dahil yung appellate, separate baga siya. Yung appellate practice is not something you really discuss in law school. It's something na teka lang, ano to? Kasi pagdating mo sa law school, these are the basic stuff na kailangan talaga sa practice ng abogado, kailangan mo sa ano. Tapos biglang i-memorize mo yung processes, i-memorize mo ilang days bago ang mga appeals and mga remedies. I survived law school na hindi ako nag-memorize. To be honest, memorizing is not my strong suit. The type of learner that would understand the concept bago ako mag-memorize ng mga important stuff.
Okay.
So, it's different for me na mag-memorize ng dates and all this stuff. Tapos saka ako intindihin. I work backwards. Concept muna, general understanding of everything, saka ako mag-memorize. And I was like, what?
Pero i-emphasize natin yung sinabi mo, Attorney Earl, about sa pag-memorize during law school. Kasi, like, meron tayong mga senior high, mga college pa lang na nangangarap din maging lawyers. And syempre, ang mindset, ang tendency ng mindset is pag maglo-law school ka, dapat mini-memorize mo lahat. So, mga tugang, living testimony si Attorney Earl Kalingasyon during his law school na hindi siya nasanay na magme-memorize muna ng mga binabasa, kundi iniintindi muna or pigsasabot muna. So, mga provisions kang batas and cases, syempre. Ano to? Kay Sisay, okay, congrats daw po Attorney Earl from Ma'am Sanin.
oh, wow. Hi, ma'am. Happy retirement.
Ayan, umuulan na ng fans natin dito. Si Attorney Earl Kalingasyon. Panotaryo na ako tin sa guest mo, sabi ni Ate April Mier.
Hi, April. How are you? Kumusta? Kay Butchokoy.
Yan, panotaryo daw si Ate Maria April Mier.
Deed of sale ba yan ang bago niyong mansion?
And meron pa tayo dito. Congrats Sir Earl Kalingasyon from Mary Ann Sinson Olaso. Congrats
Thanks.
Sir Earl Kalingasyon from Julie Rayala Sabile.
Yung mga makulit yung nag-comment.
So, saan ka connected ngayon, attorney?
Right now, I'm connected with Ligao National High School, so DepEd, ang aking agency. But I'm on leave.
Nagtuturo ka sa Ligaw National High School.
Yeah, I'm on leave. The administration has been generous enough na bigyan ako ng puwang to reflect.
Wow.
Charing. To explore other areas. Naka-leave ako ngayon. I think I'll be back in service by July. And from then, we'll cross the Rubicon kung resign na or what. So, yeah. So, that's the moment I decide.
So, ang tinuturuan mong students and subject?
I teach grade 10 for research. From time to time, teaching can get boring. So, humihingi ako ng load sa senior high school for the interesting subjects for me, like politics and governance, world religion. So, nagre-request ako ng load talaga specifically from senior high. Just to spice and things up kasi interesado ko talaga doon. So, yeah.
Eto, umuulan pa ng congratulations. Proud brother here from Jeff Kalingasyon.
Yeah, what's up, bro? Mag-enroll ka na.
Congratulations, Sir Earl, the Batman of Ligao from Miss Maria Jamela. Bakit Batman ang tawag nila sa'yo, attorney?
Ha? That's a complex thing. It started in high school, continued through college hanggang sa maging professionals na. Paano nga ba? It's very interesting. But yeah, because I'm Batman.
Oh, attorney Batman of Ligao. Sige, ito pa. Congratulations, Attorney Earl Kalingasyon from Miss Mayan. Congrats, Batman from Sir Arnie Bagadyong. Congratulations po, Attorney Earl from MTV, BBC, Santa Mesa, from Ma'am Teresa Socias or Socias. Ayan. And ang texter natin, by the way, yung mga listeners, mga paraantabay ta dyan, pwede ka mong maghapot. Kung may mga kahaputan ka mo sa Satuyang Bagong Abogado, si Attorney Earl Kalingasyon, pwede mag-text, mag-call sa 0915-228-3732. And naka-live din kita sa Facebook page na DZGB News Online. So, speaking of which, good day po always kaming nakikinig ng programa mo sa DZGB AM from Sign On, Sign Off. Pakitanong po dyan kay Attorney Earl na ang pinakamahirap ba sa bar exam, criminal law, taxation? Congrats po sa bagong lawyer na guest mo.
Sagutin ko?
Aha.
To be fair, ang third day, ang pinakamahirap, which was civil law, you were asked kung ano ang immovables. Like, why would you ask this? Like, you prepare for concepts, you prepare for cases, you prepare na gano'n ang mga uri ng tanong-tanongin ka.
The basics pala.
Ano yung immovables?
What are immovable properties?
Diba? Tapos magbigay ka ng example, like, modesty aside, 2 beses ako nag-CR.
Oh, really?
Oo, kasi well, like, napipigaan ng utak mo pati ang digestive system mo because you ask that type of question, you can't go around it. Hindi mo yun maiimbentohan ng jurisprudence.
Dapat stick sa caudal.
Stick yun sa caudal. Like,
so many shocking moments pala nung lumabas na yung questions during the bar. How did you feel nung naglalakad ka na papasok sa exam hall, the first day of the bar exams?
Exam hall, I don't know. I don't know if it's divine intervention. Hindi ako kinabahan, to be honest. Alam mo kung kailan ako kinabahan? Kinabahan ako nung nag-umpisa na. Yung So, doon na nag-sink in lahat ng kaba. May kasama din kasi yung element of fortune eh. Kasi depende sa unang tanong.
Actually, yes.
Kasi kung sobrang buwisit ka sa unang mong tanong, mahirapan ka na sa mga susunod. Relatively, political law, madali yung tanong sa akin na napunta. So, it was an easy, hindi naman sinasabi kong easy. Baka kasi magbuhang. No. What I'm trying to say is, relatively easy compared doon sa ibang mga items. So, kung makuha mo yung sobrang difficult na agad, didiskaril ka na sa diskarte mo. So, there's also an element of luck pagdating doon sa... So, may something like that. Yung kaba, parte yun eh. Pero you manage the anxiety. May level kasi ng anxiety na healthy para matapos mo talaga siya.
Oh, okay. Sige, ayan, ang dami pa nating dito. supporters, fans ni Attorney Batman. So, mga tugang, for sure, excited ka mo na maghapot pa kang anything about the bar review journey. And syempre, inspirational message, Ratchan, from our Batman of Ligao, si Attorney Earl Kalingasyon. So, mabalik lang po kita, Ratchan Makalis, ang nagkapirang pagirumdum, oras alas 11:31.
An oras hatod sa Indokang.
United Home First Sulfate Iron. Healthy blood, kaya may healthy glow. Red Horse Beer. Lakas ng sarap. Lakas ng tama. United Home C-Tab. Abot kayang vitamin C na gawang Unilab. May sukli ka pa. Maggie Magic Sarap. Ang nagmamahal, nagmamagi. Aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, Simeticon, Kreml S. Hyper bilis. Bilis. Bilis sa hyperacidity in as fast as 5 minutes. Nakapag Myra E ka na ba today? Myra E in Healthy Glow All Out.
Plemex Forte. Plemex Forte. Available in South Star Drug, Mercury Drug, and other drugstores nationwide.
Alaksan FR. Ang di abot ng pahid-pahid, tinatapos ng Alaksan FR.
The search is on. The provincial government of Albay, headed by Governor Grex Lagman, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, and the Daragang Magayon 2023 Executive Committee present The Search for Daragang Magayon 2023 with the theme Empowering Women, calling on all Bicolanas. Join and showcase what you got. Screening will be on April 15 from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the LCC Activity Center, and presentation of official candidates will be at Ayala Malls. The Search for Daragang Magayon 2023, open to all Bicolanas 17 to 25 years old. A Bicolana by birth or by blood, natural born female, at least 5'4" in height, single, have never been married nor have given birth, smart and confident. Please bring a copy of your birth certificate of your parents and grandparents, valid ID with address, and 3R size close-up and whole body photo. Come fully made up. Wear white casual, black swimsuit, and high heels. The Search for Daragang Magayon 2023. Application forms are available at the Provincial Tourism, Culture, and Arts Office and at the office of Board Member Melissa Amadesa and at the screening venue. For details, contact Crisel at 0945-779-2499. Coronation Night is on May 19 at the Albay Astrodome.
Tandaan ang mga tipid tips para mapanatiling mababa ang konsumo ng kuryente at komportable ang pamumuhay ngayong tag-init. Unasang maigi ang mga bumbilya para lumiwanag at matanggal ang dumi. Mainam ring palitan ang mga ito ng compact fluorescent lamp o LED para mas tipid ang konsumo. Huwag din kalimutang tanggalin sa saksakan ang mga hindi ginagamit na appliances tulad ng TV, microwave oven at ventilador para hindi na kumonsumo pa ng kuryente. Sa masinop na paggamit ng kuryente, masisigurong tuloy-tuloy ang daloy ng kuryente saan man sa bansa. Ang paalalang ito ay mula sa NGCP.
Do it with Ann Curtis.
Di ko kayang tanggapin
Ang sipon has ang sisig.
Di pwede yan, sis. Dapat gamutin mo agad ang sipon.
Okay pa ako, Ad. Kaya pa naman.
Girl, dapat sa sipon, mag-Neo sa Forte agad para kompletong ginawa sa lahat ng sintomas ng sipon. Ngayon wala na ang sipon ka.
Neozep Forte para sa kumpletong ginhawa sa lahat ng sintomas ng sipon.
Phenylephrine HCl chlorpheniramine maleate paracetamol is the generic name of Neozep Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Maraming love now moments sa trabaho? May igi ang may kaagapay para mapanatiling 100% ang iyong energy buong araw. Kaya ikapin mo na yan with Jim 7-in-1 Coffee Mix na may plus ingredients gaya ng Korean ginseng, agaricus mushroom, Ganoderma at spirulina para siguradong feeling alert at feeling energized ka. Plus na plus, diba? Bukod pa dyan, ang Jim 7-in-1 Coffee Mix ay halal certified at gawa ng Gold Shine Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, isang ISO certified company na ginawaran ng Certificate of Good Manufacturing Practice. Dahil sa maayos at malinis na proseso ng paggawa ng lahat ng Jim's Coffee Mix products, mabibili na rin ang Jim's 7-in-1 Coffee Mix sa Shopee, Lazada at sa mga supermarket, groceries, convenience store at drugstores sa inyong lugar. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ang love ng moment, going shining moment with Jim's Coffee Mix. May plus ka sa life!
O
Padi, natak ka nag-iidali.
Uni baga pa di, nakagat ki ayam si Nunoy. Maduman kami sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center.
Tama ka Padi, dapat na magpabakuna. Kung makagat o makamrot ka kiayam o ikos. Taan rabies, daing bulong. Asin nakakagadan, kundi maagapan kita mang pagpapabakuna.
Iyon anggad pa di. Kaya maduman kami sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center. Na sigurado ang proteksyon laban sa rabies. Asin pinagkakatiwalaan kan gabos. Sa laog kan lampas 5 taon. Barato asin abot kaya, ta 700 sana. Sigurado ka pa sa kalidad asin serbisyo. O sige na pa di, tamado mana kami sa Ravax para mabakunahan na sinunoy ko.
Maging bakunado at siguradong protektado sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. Siguradong alaga ka dito. Available man ang iba pang vaccines. Aron kan tetanus toxoid, flu, pneumonia vaccines. Asin iba pa, ang sa ng clinic. Bukas, Lunes, Sundo, Sabado, pun alas 8, sagod alas 5 ng hapon. Ang Ravax Animal Bite Center makukuha sa ground floor kan R&R Suites, W. Vincent Street, sa Legazpi City, sa Inutan Sana, kan Ate. Umag-apod sa mobile number 0917-104-4591. Ang Ravax Animal Bite Center, Iguaman and Branch, sa Tabaco, sa Inutan Sana, kan Ziga Hospital, asin sa Sorsogon, na makukuha sa Barangay Piot, Sorsogon City, sa Hampangan, kan Hard Bank.
Bukas naman ang pinakabagong branch kan Ravax sa Ligao City na makukuha sa 2nd floor AG Haushan Building, San Lorenzo Street, Gilid, Ligao City. Haranisa na sa St. Stephen Protomartyr Parish.
High blood pressure na solusyonan dahil sa pagpatak ng Doc Alternativo Fulvic Minerals sa inuming tubig.
So sa synthetic drugs, 4 yung minimaintain ko sa loob ng mahigit 20 years. Kaya nung mabalitaan ko itong Doc Alternativo, so sa ngayon, umiinom na ako nitong Fulvic Mineral na wala na ang synthetic drugs. Kaya maganda talaga itong Fulvic Mineral para sa high blood pressure. Ako po si Ed Panganiban, nakatira sa Santiago, Botolan.
Pruweba sa epektibo ng Fulvic Minerals ng Doc Alternativo. Ang Fulvic Minerals exclusive na mabibili sa Doc Alternativo Branch.
Sa Legazpi City Branch, matatagpuan sa door number 8, Orosite, Legazpi City, Old Mayon Orocrete of Councilor Joseph Lee near Palawan Express, in front of Sterling Insurance Company. Sa Sorsogon City Branch, matatagpuan sa CBA Building, Rizal Street, Barangay Piot, in front of Emilianum College, beside Barangay Piot, Barangay Hall.
Bukas alas 9 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Doc Alternativo para sa herbal at natural na lunas.
Makalipas ang mahigit 2 taon, muli pong ibinabalik ng Ako Bicol Party List ang pinakamasayang urugmahan, karantahan, asin tarabangan, Season 9. Walang humpayang pagtuklas ng mga bagong talento sa Pwede Pa Kami category at maging sa adult category. Abangan ang 6 na pinakamagagaling na mga aawit mula sa lalawigan ng Kamsur, Camarines Norte, Albay, Sorsogon at mga islang probinsya ng Catanduanes at Masbate. Sino ang tatanghaling kampyon sa urugmahan, karantahan, asin tarabangan, mga Season 9? Sino ang mag-uuwi ng 20,000 piso para sa Pwede Pa Kami category at tumataginting na 30,000 pesos naman para sa adult category? Urugmahan, karantahan, asin tarabangan, Season 9.
First time magnamit ng Red Horse Dre. First time masiramon, urong-urong grabe. First time enotong namit, ikwatulo sipa, masiram. Astig ito, wow, wow, wow. Red Horse Beer, lakas ng sarap, lakas ng tama. Red Horse Extra Strong, the #1 beer, ito ang tama.
Drink responsibly. Sa lakas ng sarap at tama, lakas makasulit ng Red Horse Beer. Drink responsibly.
Realize true comfort and relaxation at Dorotea Resort and Spa, a perfect venue for family outings, couple retreats, and various functions such as weddings, birthday parties, corporate seminars, and conferences. Dorotea Resort and Spa. We have backpackers rooms, standard rooms, deluxe, suite, and a penthouse. Also, relax and rejuvenate with our spa's invigorating treatments, services, and facilities. Dorotea Resort and Spa, Kahugutan, Bakakay, Albay. For reservation, contact us at
0917-777-5734.
Find us on Facebook, Dorotea Resort and Spa. Relax, rejuvenate, and enjoy. Only here at Dorotea Resort and Spa.
dapat aram mo. Ignorance of the law excuses no one. Kaya, dapat aram mo.
Mga tugang, nagbabalik ang programang Legally Yours GB, Dapat Aram Mo. Kaibanan si Christine Longabela and syempre our very special guest, Attorney Earl Kalingacion.
Di pa rin ako sanay mapakinggan.
Ano?
Di pa nag-sink in.
Hindi pa rin nagsisink in. Ngayon na abogado ka na. Pag sink in na sa'yo, abogado ka na. So, ang daming dito, fans ni Attorney Earl. Congratulations, Attorney Earl, from LPMN family. It's coming from Sir Christian Yap.
So, what's up, Christian?
Congratulations,
Thanks.
Sino siya? Friend mo?
Empleyado ko.
Oh, empleyado. Okay. LPMN family. Anong ibig sabihin?
Nag-start kami ng isang akong kaibigan ng isang engineering firm.
Oh,
so,
wow.
construction, yeah.
Okay. Hello po sa inyo. Congratulations, Attorney Earl from Burns Abordo. Sir Earl Kalingacion, miss ka na ni BBM Gwen Sabile. Ako ang magiging unang kliyente mo, pero dapat free muna ang TF. Sabi ni Miss Julie Rayala Sabile. What can you say? Pwede daw ba? Free muna ang TF?
Di pwede. Lalo sa mo.
Hindi daw pwede. Sa'yo, Miss Julie. Paano yan? Kuya, sabi ni Blair Kalingacion.
What's up?
Brother?
Sister.
Sister, okay. Congrats po, Attorney Earl Kalingacion from Miss Donna Kalingacion. Proud of you, sabi po ni Ma'am Ludes P. Pedir.
Hey, what's up, Ninang? How are you?
Ayun. So, balik tayo sa kinikwento mo, Attorney Earl, about your bar review journey. Ang pinakamahirap na subject or subjects for you?
Is remedial. Remedial law.
Civil.
Civil, yung dalawang yon. To be honest, nag-enjoy ako ng sobra with Attorney Duca. One of the best reviewers pag siya ang nagre-lecture. Labor and Poly.
Yeah.
I drop everything I do, makikinig ako sa kanya, and satisfied ako na nakapag-review na ako ng mahusay for that period. So, very confident ako sa Poly ko and sa Labor.
Attorney Nonoy Duca?
Cecilio Duca ba yun?
Okay. Okay.
So, pag siya, yay.
Gusto mo na.
So, yeah, pag siya, gustong-gusto ko. And
lecturer.
Audio, talaga ako, habang naki-threadmill.
Oh, wow.
Nag-attempt ako mag-threadmill, nakikinig talaga ako ng lectures. That was the strategy. Pag natutulog, lecture pa rin. So, trinato ko siya as podcasts. If you will notice kung gaano kalinis ang caudal ko.
Okay. Wala siyang highlights.
Meron, pero very minimal. As in, very, very minimal ang caudal ko. Isa pang na-enjoy ko na subject sa review was commercial law. I did not know I had that kind of interest sa commercial law, lalo ang mercantile law at corpo law.
Wow.
I did not understand na meron pala akong interest
During the bar mo lang nalaman?
During the bar, kasi
while answering
si Attorney
the questions.
Divina ang nag-lecture, and si pag Attorney Divina, yung authority niya to teach the subject, by interest ka talaga sa subject, kung how a corporation functions, makikita mo that it's a small state, parang maliit lang na government doon ang corpo law.
Magaling talaga si Dean Divina, ng UST.
And yung book niya, ang kaya sa isang librong tinapos ko during the bar review. Kasi
maganda rin talaga basahin yung book.
How he presents things, maganda talaga. Very firm. Kasi kung nabasa mo yung libro niya, essentially, yun din yung sa lectures niya, plus some corny jokes.
Yes. Like yung technical kasi na terms sa corporation law, di ba? Ang galing niyang i-explain sa atin. So we could understand.
It's very simplified. So, sinusundan ko siya pag may lecture siya sa review center na libre na gano'n, kahit alam kong it's the same topic, para lang pumasok talaga sa utak. So, gano'n. I don't encourage the future barristers to do what I did. I encourage you to read. Pero kung yung learning style nyo talaga, iba din kasi yung learning style. Yung review centers ninyo, tuturuan kayo na may maganitong dapat, maka-establish kayo ng patterns, dapat may schedule kayo. It's still always what works for you best.
Yes, true.
Wala kasing tama for everyone. There's always who are you as a person, ano yung learning style mo, focus ka doon kung anong uri ka ng learner.
Yes, I agree.
Tapos doon ka. So yeah, ang pinakamahirap na aralin was as I was saying, yung remedial law, kasi yung appellate and all. And yung civil, the breadth Not necessarily kung gaano complex yung CV law, pero gaano kalawak yung CV law. Na kahit may syllabus na, parang it's still overwhelming. May mga tinanggal na, LTD tinanggal, wala na. So, pero kung titingnan mo yung syllabus, hindi naman to syllabus, para tong table of contents.
Sobrang haba pa rin.
But yeah.
Marami kasi ang scope talaga ng civil.
So yeah, there are things na madidiscover mo sa review na hindi nyo natakil sa law school, because sa law school ang focus talaga is on the basics to prepare you for practice and sa bar. Pero may mga niche na mga obscure na topics na dahil kasama sa syllabus, yun ang ipiprepare sa inyo ng review center, and it's very helpful talaga. So yeah.
Saang review center ka, Attorney Earl?
I went for Legal Edge. Legal Edge baka naman, charot. Okay ang mga lecturers nila. Of course, not everyone is as good as, hindi sila equally good, pero wala namang sayang. Wala namang sayang. Lahat magagaling yung mga discuss, lalo yung mag-asawang Gito. Sina Judge at si Justice Gito. Isa yun sa dalawang inaabangan ko, lalo yung lalaki. Si Ma'am sa rem namin. Si Sir nag-rem din, pero pag si Sir ang nag-rem, mas naiintindihan ko kasi it's because siguro dahil lalaki siya at yung manner niya on how to approach the logic of things, mas nakaka-jive ko. Si Ma'am napaka-technical. Siguro din kasi more opinionated na siya because she's working as a justice. So now di-discuss niya comprehensively talaga, pati yung mga nuances na helpful sa practice, pero hindi mo naman usually magagamit sa bar.
Kailangan pa during the bar. Yes.
Pero ang galing. So, pinapakita niya sa iyo ang buo, tapos iisa-isahin niya, idadissect. Very good.
So, online yung review mo?
Online po yung review. Online.
Okay, online. So, I agree with Attorney Earl, mga tugang, even for me, kailangan na pumili ka lang din ng lecturers na magugustuhan mo and helpful for you. Like, dahil mo pagpiriton na ubuson gabos na lecturers kasi yung time mo din is very essential. So, diskarte lang din during the review. Not necessarily na lahat ng binibigay ng review center mo, na materials, babasahin mo. Lahat ng nakaschedule na lecturers, papakinggan mo. Pipili ka lang din talaga.
And may tinatawag na passive learning. The good thing about online review is that pwede mo siyang i-replay. So, destroy the replay button. And I remember, during the times na hindi ako nagbabasa, naglalaro ako ng Ragnarok. Yung luma pa, nakahanap ako ng magandang server. So, napalevel up ko ang aking hunter, naging sniper, naka-level 99 pa ako while during the
So, aside from playing such games, ano pa yung ibang stress reliever mo, Attorney, during
I go to see my wife every week.
Paano naman yung walang partner?
Ang stress reliever mo ay huwag kang maghanap ng kalandian during bar review. As much as possible, wag. But if hindi maiwasan, go ahead. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, distraction yan. I don't know. What worked for me may not work for you. So, kailangan nga lang talaga pick something that you can do while listening to lectures. If it's running, go ahead. Makinig ka habang naka-headset. If it's just walking around, go ahead. Walking your dog, go ahead. Petting your pets, go ahead. As long as meron kang moment na nagre-relax ka, medyo absorbent ang utak mo kasi hindi ka focused, pero naririnig mo siya and you're doing something else. Kung kaya nyo mag-cross stitch, go ahead. Kung kaya nyo
Hindi ko naisip yun ang review ko.
Ano yun? Yung parang
yung ginagansilyo.
Gansilyo. Mag-gansilyo kayo, go ahead. If it's something that you can do. For me, it was more photography. So, nag-edit ako ng pictures habang nakikinig sa lecture. It's para sa akin, may panahon para magbasa, may panahon para makinig, may panahon para mag-relax, at pwede mong pagsabay yung pag-relax sa pakikinig. Kasi as I understand, when you're doing something na menial, something na very ordinary, mas free ang utak mo to absorb the things that you hear. Like what they're doing right now. They're listening to us. For sure, may ginagawa yan na iba ng mga nakikinig natin.
But at the same time, may na-absorb from you. So, Anong message mo, attorney, sa students mo na lang muna sa junior high ng Ligao National High School?
Okay. Hi students, ang dami kong pagkukulang sa inyo, especially my former students na mga nasa college na ngayon. You know, I did not give you my 100%. Kumbaga, dahil nandun ako sa law school. But as I understand, sana sapat naman yung na-impart kong knowledge sa inyo. Thank you for bearing with me. If you have problems, you know na malalapitan nyo ako because they're my lifelong friends now. That's the curse of being teachers, being lifelong friends with your students who can be more or less annoying. Pero they're cute. Huwag nyo akong gawing model. Don't be like me. Forge your own path. If there is something that you want to do it because you want to do it. Because don't sinasabi kadalasan na follow your passion, that's nonsense. Take your passion with you wherever you go. Bring that passion because I wanted to be a lawyer. That's my passion. Pero kung yun agad ang ginawa ko, I would not be here kasi may mga detour sa buhay na hindi mo naman kasalanan, out of your control. If you bring that passion with you wherever you are, no matter how lowly your estate in life is, kahit gaano kahirap yung pinagdadaanan mo, if you carry that passion to do things excellently wherever you are, you will definitely find a place for yourself.
Wow, nakaka-touch naman yun. Even me, wow, talaga. I learned something from you, something inspirational kahit nandito na rin ako. Talagang may mga matututunan pa rin tayo from each other.
I learned a lot from you though.
Oh.
Nakikinig ako sa program mo.
Oh, really? Somehow, sana naging helpful din yung program sa natin, sa new passers natin. So, paano ba yun, Attorney Earl? Iiwan mo ba yung students mo from Ligao National High School? Like, what's your plan now na lawyer ka na?
Technically, I'm on leave, so I don't have students right now. Yung naiwan ko sa senior high, nagturo ako sa kanila for like 2 weeks, then umalis ako again to pursue something. My plan right now is to continue.
Do you plan to put up your own law firm, a private practice, or government?
There are invitations for me now for public service. Try ko muna na lumaki yung anak ko. These are moments na ayaw kong malampasan. I mean, my daughter will only be 1 year old, 2 years old, 3 years old once. These are the moments na very precious. So I would like to still work from home. So either working private practice. So that's the goal for me while learning from other lawyers as well because this is something bad I did. I shut off myself from everything related to law nung naghihintay ng bar results. Not one single book. Lahat ng libro ko, pinamigay ko na. Because the reality was, buwisit na third day yun. Hirap na hirap ako, baka hindi. So it's really a miracle for me na nakapasa ako. Kaya, sige na, pinamigay ko na. So,
Ngayon parang gusto mo bawiin.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Sana mapakinabangan yun ng mga pinagbigyan ko.
Yes.
You know who you are.
That's, syempre, galing sa fresh passer natin. So, diba? May, din yun, may element of luck na kasama yung books and reviewers na binigay mo sa
yung caudal na sa akin.
Okay. Oo, yung caudal lang talaga. Huwag ipapabigay. So, sa message mo naman po, Attorney Earl, sa mga underbar and yung mga nasa law school pa lang na of course aiming din to claim that one of these days.
I have friends who did not pass. So, napaka Pyrrhic victory nito sa akin. Very close people to me. If you're watching this, whether live or recorded, you know that this is not the end. The next time you take it, you will pass for sure. May the Lord be with you. Forget the shame, forget all those negative feelings. It's 2023, wala nang stigma. I hope wala na. Siguro may stigma pa sa mga makikita ng utak.
Yes, true.
But for us, we believe in you. We never lose faith in you. I hope you continue fighting for your dreams. So yun, para sa mga kaibigan mo hindi nakapasa. For those na mga students hindi pa nagbabar, find your learning style. Huwag kayong makinig sa learning style ng iba.
Yes, true.
What will work for others will not work for you because you are you. There's only one you in the world. Fortunately, isa lang ikaw. Just take your passion with you and kumbaga i-maintain mo ang healthy peace of mind. Take yourself away from every stressor na pwede mong i-avoid. May mga stressor kang hindi ma-avoid, pero meron talagang pwede mo pa namang i-avoid. Take yourself away from that environment. Focus on your review.
Yes.
I understand may mga hindi makaka-leave because of financial responsibilities. Like me, na hindi pinayagan ng study leave. Okay lang yon. Kahit nag-work kayo, kaya nyo pa rin makapasa. It's just a matter of focus and budgeting your time and finding your learning style. If your learning environment will allow you for just a maximum of 5 hours per day, maximize the 5 hours per day.
Kahit hindi pinayagan mag-study leave, si Attorney Earl nakapasa pa rin. Ang galing, ganun kagaling. Okay, message naman, Attorney, sa mga college students, mga junior, senior high, or kahit mga bata pa lang na nakikinig sa atin na nangangarap din maging lawyer.
First of all,
na wala pa sa law school.
Hi, mga students, senior high, junior high, college, na wala pa sa law school. Examine your motivations on why you want to become lawyers. If your motivation is because it's cool, it looks cool on TV, nanood kayo ng Suits, nanood kayo ng The Practice, nanood kayo ng
Attorney Wu.
Examine. If your motivation is because of pop culture, stop. You will never get past first year. Pagpasok nyo na obligations and contracts, you will quit.
Yeah. Yeah. Muntik din ako dun sa Oblicon.
Pagpasok nyo ng Oblicon, akala nyo first sem okay, na kaya nyo pa yung persons and family relations, na kaya nyo yung criminal law 1. Believe me, once you go Oblicon, maninimbang na kayo kung para sa inyo ba talaga ito.
Yeah.
Parang yun yung di ba? Parang yun yung acid test kung magtutuloy ba to. So, examine your motivations. Is this something that you really want to do, or is this something that you just find cool? If this is something that you really want to do, iset nyo na ang sarili niyo for the difficulties that will go ahead. Practical advice, focus on your English. It's a very big part of being a law student. So my advice para sa mga graduate ng K-12 or ng college, don't go directly working for anything else. Maghanap kayo ng isang call center na pagtatrabahuan ninyo to polish your English, because you're earning money while you're polishing your English. Because believe me, 70% of law school is understanding English.
Yes. Basic grammar, basic understanding, comprehension of the English.
Kasi hindi lang natama ang grammar mo how you structure yung logic of how you answer things. How you express. Yung confidence na yun na kaya yung mag-express yourself in the English language.
Yes, and your comprehension, of course.
Makukuha nyo ito when you deal with native speakers of the English language. So, go to a call center, get yourself trained for 1 year or 2 years hanggang sa ma-perfect na ninyo ang English ninyo. Then by that time, enroll in law school. That's the most practical thing I can advise. If there is something else na mapapalis ninyo ang language skills ninyo, specifically English, go for it. But I'm thinking BPO pa rin, call center ang the best training ground for polishing your English.
Oh, okay. Marami pang supporters mo dito, Attorney Earl. Wow, go Attorney Earl. Sabi ni John Ray Bical Moralejo.
What's up, John Ray?
Congrats, Attorney Earl Kalingasyon from Miss Melanie Avila.
Hi, Doc.
Congrats, Brad and Attorney Earl. So proud of you. Praying for God's continuous favor for your life. Pastor Ulysses Fundano.
Thanks, Pastor.
Sir, pabati naman dyan, sabi ni Armando Pansing.
Sa mga construction workers na nasa bahay, ayusin nyo ang trabaho nyo, huwag kayong pabanjing-banjing, ha?
Makikinig daw muna, Armando.
Pakatapos ko yun magtrabaho gilayon ka mo, pakarainin nyo ang pag-asintada yan pag-finish, okay?
Congrats, Attorney Earl, sabi ni Sir Ronnie Gabarda.
Hi, Pastor.
Ayan, and clap, Rudes Espinosa. Good morning.
Hi, Ate Den. Sorry sa pag-shock ko dyan sa opisina.
Hi, Kuya Bob Candano. And congrats daw, sabi ni Pilar Reading. Congratulations, Attorney Earl, from Sir Dennis Roquino.
Hi, Uncle. Thanks for praying for me.
Watching while in Kidzuna, sabi ni Blair Kalingasyon. Okay, and sabi pa dito, bring that passion with you, quoted Attorney Earl Kalingasyon. Diba? And tumatak na sa utak namin, Attorney Earl, yung inspirational messages mo. Sabi ni Ryan Priela, congratulations, attorney, proud of you.
Thanks, Manay, Manoy.
Congrats, Attorney Earl, sabi ni Miss Jocelyn Paladin Garcia. Congrats, Nong, Sir Nathan Dave Roquino.
Thanks, Uncle.
Congrats, Attorney Earl, sabi ni Rudes Espinosa. So, there we go, mga tugang. Siyempre, Attorney Earl, message mo sa imong supporters, fans, artista na.
Artista.
Hindi, siyempre, yung nagbigay sa'yo ng moral support and any other kind of support during your bar review journey and until natapos mo yung bar exams. And of course, message to your friends, your family, your loved one.
First of all, pasalamat lang ako na nakapasa ako dahil hindi na ako babalik sa Viva Films. Charot!
Yan pala yung plan B.
That's the plan B. Thank you to my wife for bearing with me during the time that we were pregnant. She was pregnant. Mahirap yun ang stage sa buhay namin. There were a lot of problems. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for marrying me and giving me a child. So thanks wherever you are. Nandito ka lang naman sa bahay. But yeah, thanks. To my friends, specifically magpapasalamat ako sa principal ko. Hi Ma'am Juice, hi Ma'am Ludes, hi Ma'am Aris. Ma'am Bren, salamat sa pag-approve sa mga bagay na nire-request ko sa inyo during the bar. I thank you for approving my vacation leave. Naka-vacation leave ako without pay. Thank you na hindi nyo na ako pinahirapan. Naghanap talaga kayo ng paraan para maka-review ako ng matiwasay. I thank you all sa mga friends ko. Ang hirap isa-isahin, ang dami, baka may magtampo. Yeah, thank you so much for my church family, Bicol Bible Baptist Church, Pastor. Thank you all, mga brethren. Thank you all for praying for me. Sa mga nasa Santa Mesa, thank you all for praying for me. It's really God's grace that I'm here. I really thought I failed. I don't understand how I passed despite my performance. So this for me is a miracle. So yeah, thank you. And I will be the best lawyer that I can be in service of the Filipino people. Because that's always the goal, to be of service to your fellow Filipino.
Wow. Yun. Thank you so much once again, Attorney Earl Kalingasyon, for being our guest. And of course, fresh na fresh. Parang yung station ng DZGB talagang na ano ng freshness mo as a newly minted, as a new lawyer. Fresh na bar passer ta mga tugang na nagluwas na bar exam results hapon, April 14, 2023. For sure, this is a date na very special, very memorable.
Salamat tayo sa STL. Charot. Joke lang.
Ayun. So, congratulations once again, Attorney Earl, and God bless next chapter of your life sa mga susunod na journey na ma-encounter mo.
So yeah, thank you, Attorney Tin, for having me. It was a pleasure meeting you again. I'm so happy that you're in this stage of your life, very blooming. Ang ganda-ganda ni Tin sa personal, sa totoo lang.
Hoy, grabe.
So thanks, Tin. Thanks for having me. It was a pleasure seeing you here.
Yeah. So mga tugang, igwa kita mga bagong guest, and marami pa tayong maging pwedeng guest ng bagong abogado na mag-share sa inyo ng free legal advice or for your basic legal knowledge din. So sa tuyang programa na Legally Yours GB, dapat aram mo. Salamaton once again, Attorney Earl.
Thank you, Tin. Thank you very much.
Okay, congratulations to you and your family, of course. And by the way, mga tugang public service announcement, ang sa kuya din po na friend and batchmate sa St. Agnes Academy, si Roland Bendon Mowit or RB Mowit po. Ang lubong niya po is atyan na 2:00 din pagkahapon sa Barangay Anislag, Daraga, Albay. So mga nakakabisto po kay Roland Bendon Mowit or RB Mowit, atyan na 2:00 po ang lubong sa Anislag, Daraga, Albay. Condolences po once again sa bilog na pamilyang Mowit. So, sa lado technical, nakaibanan ta po si Kuya Jun Napoles, Kuya Nems Flora, Richard Astor, and sa DZGB News Base, yaon dyan si Angel Mustaza, and si Sir Mar. Yaon po, Kuya Nems. Wala si Sir Mar de la Cruz. Okay. And si Kuya Mike, yaon mga tugang sa Cadiz City, Negros. Kaya dahita siya nakaibanan ngunyan, sayang. Pero sa masunod na Sabado, hopefully yaon nagiraray si Kuya Mike. And sa aga ang tabayanan po ako from 6 to 7 in the morning for the Sunday edition. So, thank you so much and congratulations sa gabos na sa tuyang new lawyers. Congratulations. And of course, sa tuyang warriors. So, mga daiba pinalad, keep fighting kasi your time will come. And tomorrow, marami pa akong inspirational stories for you. So, ini po si Christine Longabela para sa Legally Yours GB. Dapat aram mo. Happy lunchtime!
Sa indung nadangog ang programang Legally Yours GB. Abangan giraray, digdi sa DZGB. Legally Yours GB.
Ang nagiinom ng vitamin D kan Farex, Farexcited.
Farex Vitamin B1, B6, B12.
Katabang at tamang dieta asin